These are the things I want to take on my trip. Ah. So I'm going to Chicago. I recently bought some travel things for EJ and I. And I'm only doing this right now because I need to clear off my bed. So I bought us travel laundry bags. This is huge. It came in a set of 2. Because traveling with dirty clothes is not fun. And then this battery pack. Definitely comes in handy. A collapsible water bottle. And then this packing cube set, 7 pieces. I got everything from Amazon. I'll link it below in the description if y'all want to buy. So this is everything that I want to take for sure. But I just need to see if like the outfits make sense. But I know first things first, I'm gonna get this smaller packing cube and put my underwear in there. Underwear and pajamas. So we're going for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, come back Wednesday. So we'll be gone for a total of 4 days. So I need 4-ish outfits. Maybe some more for like changing. Because we're going for our anniversary. We've been married for 2 years. So originally we had planned to go to New Orleans because that's our city, but it was hit by the hurricane and we didn't want to wait till the last minute to change destinations. We didn't know how open it would be and how quick they would recover. But yeah, this is on our 2-2-2 schedule. Every 2 weeks, date night, every 2 months, a weekend away, every 2 years, a trip out the country. But you know, it's a lot going on considering with travel and the pandemic. So erring on the side of caution. No matter how long I go somewhere, I always bring more underwear than I need, because when I was younger, I went on a trip with my mom and I brought exactly enough underwear and we wound up staying an extra day. And yeah, did not like that. And I think that's why I'm an overpacker. So I'm really excited about going to Chicago. I hope I run into Miss Vaughn. I hope I run into Son Blake, you know, some influencers that I follow that live in the area. Yo, this is ridiculous how many pairs of underwear I'm bringing. All right, I think I can put my pajamas in here. So I got this little lounge set. All right, I have some bralettes. The last thing will be my nightgown. All right, I think this will be the last thing to squeeze in here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, this is gonna be my travel outfit. And this will be my travel bra. And I'm gonna wear my black crop top. Boom. Okay. So definitely want to take this strapless bra. I love when things have 2 zippers. All right. Boom. There we go. Undergarments, check. Now I have to figure out my outfits. My phone died while I was recording. I don't know where it stopped. But I'm trying to figure out like what pants to bring, exactly what outfits am I going to wear. So I have this shirt to go with these pants, this shirt to go with these pants, this shirt to go with these pants. But I probably, you know what? I could layer it with a jacket. But I've worn this twice. Let me give it a break. And I have this shirt that I could wear with these pants with this shirt under it to be warm. And then I have these two dresses. Probably not gonna bring that one. So hard editing, so hard. I have my outfit. I think that's it. This is all edits gone. Okay, okay. All right, all right. Jean jacket, I could wear this. Okay, these nude pumps I could wear with either dress. So those are going. Then I have my leopard flats. Those are pretty versatile with what I have in here. I'll bring my all-white chucks. We'll do that. Yeah, just gonna bring these leggings to work out in. Okay, so this is how it fits in the suitcase. This is a large one, and I'm guessing it's the medium size one. So what I might do, since there's still some room in here, I'll take some of the bulkier pieces out of here. This is my first time using packing cubes, so this is like super organized for me. Yeah, I'll take those two things out, so that's not so bulky, since I have space in here. And I was able to edit my wardrobe and leave out pieces. Yeah, I think that's a much better fit there.
And I have to leave room for Edith's anniversary gift. I ordered him some stuff. I hope y'all heard that.
It's the shoe bag. Let's see. I actually need to lace these up, but we'll do that later. Got the shoelaces. So here's the shoe bag. I'm just gonna stuff the shoelaces in there. Oh, there it is. Found my other flat, and we'll need socks. And I'll put the socks in the shoe bag. All right, I'm trying to get some socks so I can have socks to wear. But I feel like my sock collection is very poor. Okay. Oh, it's just sad. This passes for decent socks. So I've decided to put the socks in here. So let's do that. I'm only doing carry-on, so this is what my suitcase looks like. Which side is this on? So zip up my suitcase. I do have the expansion. Ow. I do have the expansion on this thing. All right, that's tight. If I do need to add anything, I think I have a little bit more room. Just a tinge. So let's close that up. Man, those shoes are in the way. All right, it's packed. I do not have the link to these. These were a wedding gift. Well, I do not have the link to the suitcase. It was a wedding gift. I'll see if I can find it. If I do, I'll put it down below. Okay, that's packed. So all that's left is to pack my toiletries, but I will come back and do that later for you guys. Oops, can y'all see? It's like blurry. But I will do that later because it's still early in the week. It is Tuesday and we don't leave till Saturday. So I do have some designated toiletries, but I really had to pack that stuff up tonight because I gotta clear my bed off. But we are off to a good start. So this video will probably pick up in a day or so. to finish packing. Toiletries up next, and my carry-on book bag. That's where everything else is gonna go, including makeup. Still gotta finish up packing for toiletries. All right. Mouthwash. I'm gonna top it off with some peroxide, hydrogen peroxide. All right, here's my toiletry bag. You know, I'm not gonna put the soap in there. That's it, y'all. That's it for packing. I packed my makeup in here. Oh, I gotta put my brushes in. Got my jewelry in here. I feel like I'm missing something, but that's it. I'm all packed up. Oh, my battery pack. But that's it for packing with me, you guys. I have my coat in the car, so yeah, but I think that's it. It's a little chaotic, but we got it done. Now I'm gonna get ready to get on this flight. So I'll see y'all in my vlog. Thanks for packing with me.